So lime, a nice fresh friend. So essential oils have notes, and all your citrus fruits are top notes. And those are the notes in a blend or in a perfume that you smell first. And then you have base notes, which sandalwood is a base note, and that lingers. But it also keeps the fragrance of your blend. So you have to have all the notes in a perfume, for instance, so that it can last all day. That's how perfumes last all day. So lime is a very sharp. So I relate colors. So if you see a lime, it's green. This is a lime green smell. It's so funny.
For me, it smells more like music.
Yeah. Well, it's notes and music and colors. And I said that to a lawyer friend of mine. She says, I have no clue what you just said. and her artistic daughter went, I understood exactly what you said. It's just so funny. So lime, so most citrus are always uplifting because they're top notes. They're refreshing. And they are all antibacterial. So if you've got something you want smelling better, you can put it in. Mm-hmm. Most insects don't like citrus. Although lime is actually quite sweet, and but my house is built on 2 or 3 anthills because I've got all kinds of ants, red ones and black ones and everything that come in. There's one set of ants that if I put the lime on the counters, they couldn't be bothered. They love it. So they're like, yay, lime. They are always work against oil. They're always healing, but can be a little bit abrasive to the skin. So they will always be used
because they're acidic.
Yes. Well, they have that kind of a. So all your oils are made up of compounds, and it's a chemical compound really. The oils. So you've got an alcohol and an acid and something called a ketone and a phenol and all those kinds of things, and then they are made up in different. There's 2 of these and 3 of those and whatever, and but all occurs naturally within the plant. So I haven't gone and taken alcohol and dumped alcohol in it. Just it occurs naturally in the plant. So lime, like other citruses, is uplifting and good for a whole lot of things, and it's refreshing.